I am going to sing for you today. Yeah, I've got talent. No, not really. Not really, no. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let me tell you something. Guess what? Today is Friday. We have one more video. Oh yeah! Calm down. What? Yoo-hoo! Ask them to subscribe. We have over 600 subscribers. Come on then. We need more subscribers. Silly boy. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me tell them. Okay. You hear him, isn't it? He just said what he said. What we're going to do today? Today, I don't want to do unboxing today, but we're going to do something similar to unboxing. Will be unboxing and nothing else, yeah? Shall we? No. Whatever. We're going to change the printer ink. The one ran out, so. And we're going to make it work with Alexa as well. Using an Alexa skill, yeah? Okay, let's try and see. First attempt, without anything else. Alexa, stop. All right. Are you ready? Come on then. Ta-da! Right. We have a skill, HP printer. We can use it to control our printer via Alexa. Okay. Let's try. Echo. Add banana to my shopping list.
I added banana to your shopping list.
Add lemon to my shopping list.
Lemon added to your shopping list.
Add tuna to my shopping list. Echo. Ask my printer to print my shopping list.
Okay, bring your shopping list to the printer.
yeah. Ta-da! One more time. Echo. Add tuna to my shopping list. Add tuna to my shopping list. I don't want to give my tuna. Never mind. Subscribe. It's free, nothing to pay. And like the video, share it with your friends. Comment below. Oh yeah, I want to see what you have to say. What else? Come back for the next video. Every single Friday, we have here something to see. We are in, I'm not going to say. So you have plenty of time. You can binge all my videos. Oh yeah.